Emma is a young woman brimming with potential, yet held back by her struggle with procrastination. Living in a bustling town, she feels constantly overwhelmed by the pressure of time. Often, she pushes her dreams aside, convincing herself there's always more time ahead, though that time seems to slip away. One sunny afternoon, Emma crosses paths with Mr. Elias, an elderly traveler famed for his wisdom. Intrigued by his presence, she asks, "How can I use time wisely?" Mr. Elias smiles gently, his eyes gleaming with years of experience. "Time," he says softly, "is the one thing that never waits for us. Use it to learn, to grow, and to love. Don't squander it, for it's the most precious gift you have." Mr. Elias handed Emma an old ornate pocket watch, its silver surface gleaming softly in the light. "This," he said, "has been in my family for generations. It represents the passage of time and the importance of cherishing every moment." Emma gazed at the intricate engraving, her fingers tracing the delicate patterns. Mr. Elias continued, "Time is precious. Once it's gone, it can never be reclaimed. This watch is a reminder to live with intention and appreciate the present." Emma nodded thoughtfully, understanding that this wasn't just a gift, it was a lesson that would stay with her forever.